Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unlock all the bots on chess.com. So let's get right into it. For example, if I go into play computer, as you can see, first what you need to do is set up your bot. Now, currently I am still in a game with Caligula for some reason. Let me just resign quickly and I'll just create a new game with a computer. Here, as you'll see at the right side, you need to select the bot you're playing versus, but as you can see, the majority of them are locked. The way you can do this is you need to subscribe pretty much to a plan, which is of course paid monthly, and you'll be able to use those bots. Then, if I click on one of these bots, as you can see, I get the option to try the free trial for 7 days. But if I go into free trial, as you can see, you can try any of these plans that you want. You can try the diamond plan for 7 days, and this will unlock all the bots, as you can see here. And any of these bots, any of these plans unlocks all bots, as you can see. And literally all you have to do is just subscribe to this and then your bots will be unlocked. And sadly, that's the only way. There is no free way to do this except for this free trial. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.